How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about, are planks good for abs? So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So yes, planks are good for your abs. Why are they good though? They're good because they require you to work your stabilizing muscles of the abs. You work your rectus abdominal abs, and you'll also work your obliques to some extent as well. Planks are one of the best exercises you can do for your abs. You want to make sure you contract your abs and glutes, and you hold this position for as long as possible. Now here's the thing. You need progressive overload if you want to gain muscle for anything, your abs, your chest, your shoulders, your biceps. To progressively overload, just increase your time when you're doing these. So you don't necessarily need to add weight, you can simply add time. So just increase your time by 5 seconds each time you do them. Trust me, after a while, you'll be able to do these for a long period of time. Trust me. I will put a link in the description box if you guys are interested in some items that will help you do planks better. So I highly recommend you guys check out the description box. Another thing I want to talk about is your diet a little bit. Diet is what ultimately is going to get your abs. Abs are 90% diet in my opinion, about 10% exercise. Again, if you're doing exercise, that's awesome, really good. But if your diet is crap, really bad, you're never going to see results. And that is why you see people in the gym that have been there for a year, 2, 3, 4 years, no results at all, because they do the exact same thing every single day and they don't watch their diet. That's all I wanted to talk about. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.